Lezi indaba zehora lesikhombisa sigwethulela zona bukhome komkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazo ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje. Babalelwa kwaba yisithupha abantu ababulewe kulamahora ngamashumi edlule endaweni yaseMawoti enyakatho yeTheku njengoba izakhamuzi ziqhubeka nokulwisana namaqembu egilamkhuba endaweni.
SAPS is going to check whether there was no reckless, then they declare it as a criminal sin. We do the same. In terms of preliminary, we are going to check the permits.
Sebeshagalolunye abantu abaphangalale engozini yebhasi eyenzeke emgwaqweni othela waye ku N2 eduze kwaseMandeni ogwini olusenyakatho yesifundazwe iKwaZulu-Natal.
We expect, however, that there will be a smaller VAT increase tied to conditions of high economic growth.
There must be very clear measures to protect the poor.
Njengoba ungqongqoshe wezemali uEnoch Godongwana ezokwethula isabelo mali ngoLwesithathu, amaqembu ezombusazwe alindele ukubona ukuthi uzoxazulula kanjani ingqinamba yokwenyuswa intenga yempahla ethengwayo. Mbukele asikubingelele sikwamukele indaba yenza kusihlwa enizethulelwa uNoxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali ihlabanga lelimhlophe qa. Asibonge kakhulu ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi namhlanje kusihlwa. Sekubulawe abantu abayisithupha esikhathini esingaphansi kwamahora ngamashumi endaweni yaseMawoti enyakatho yeTheku, kanti umphakathi wakule ndawo uthi lokhu kungenxa yezimpi eziqhubekayo phakathi kwezakhamuzi namaqembu ezigebengu adumile okusolakala ukuthi ahlukumeza abantu bakule ndawo.
Simanzonzo isimo kulomphakathi waseMawoti kulandela ukudutshulwa kubulawe abantu abayisithupha. Abaningi ke babo bebe ngamalungu ohlaka olwisana nobugebengu emphakathini.
Uma uMinisa afike manje na sicela ukuthi anikeze leyo instruction ukuthi akuke uza amasosha khona sokwazi ke sihlale kahle siphile njengabanye abantu ngoba no indlela yamaphoyisa abuyangabonakali mancane.
Amalungu omphakathi lapha athi sekudutshulwe kwabulawa ke abantu abaningi ngamalungu ophiko olwisana nobugebengu. Kudutshulwe kwabulawa amalungu omphakathi amathathu. Kukhona amaphoyisa ke endaweni yesigameko.
Amaphoyisa akavuma ukuthi ahlulekile, nathi njenge-CPF sihlulekile, akubizwa amasosha kungene ngaphakathi kukhucululwe lezibhamu ezaluthwa.
Izakhamuzi zalapha zithi le ndawo seyiphenduke kwampunzi edlemeni.
Sengihlukumeze kanjalo eMawoti, sengihlukumeza kakhulu kwamna ndiyoyika angisazi bandenze njani. Ngoba into engiyenzekayo mina ndiyancwapha.
Amaphoyisa athi ayaliqhuba ke uphenyo ngesigameko sokudutshulwa kubulawe labantu abathathu.
The victims who were standing on their own sustained multiple gunshot wounds to the body. The suspects, who are unknown, arrived on foot and fled immediately afterwards. The motive for the killing is unknown at this stage.
Lesimo ke ebeshubile kulomphakathi siholele kutheni ke kuphazamiseke ukufunda endaweni kuphinde kuvalwe namabhizinisi endawo. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba ze-SABC ngiseMawoti.
Amaqembu ehlukene ezombusazwe ePhalamende azobe ebheke elikhulu ngesabelo mali sikaNgqongqoshe uEnoch Godongwana ngoLwesithathu. Okubonakala kulangazelelwe kakhulu ngamaqembu udaba lokuthi ingabe izokwenyuswa ngamalini intela yempahla ethengwayo.
Elo sabantu abathwaxwa yintswela ngqesho sasise sethutyana ngexesha le-COVID-19 kodwa sele kulithuba esisibonelelo siqhubekeka. Kwaye urhulumente kufuneka afune imali eza kuxhasa esisibonelelo sentswela ngqesho. Umbutho we-DA oyinxalenye urhulumente wentsebenziswano uthi akalixhasi iphulo lokunyusa irhafu ingakumbi i-VAT.
The DA will remain laser-like focused on growing the economy through economic reforms, but also finding inefficiencies within government, cutting those expenses, amalgamating and binning departments that make no sense. And if we're able to do that, we will see this economy firing again and we won't have to burden South African taxpayers to do so.
Amanye amaqela afuna uhlahlo lwabiwo-mali oluza kuxhasa ingqesho nokuhlumisa ezoqoqosho.
We expect, however, that there will be a smaller VAT increase tied to conditions of high economic growth.
There must be very clear measures to protect the poor, first of all. So that is a starting base. And that means that we must, for instance, expand the number of goods that are exempt from VAT.
We need to focus on the growth agenda that's increasing what is already below 15% of spend on infrastructure. We must increase it to 30% as the National Development Plan says.
The issue of unemployment, poverty, inequality, land expropriation, NHI, Bella Act, to me, are quite very critical.
Umphathiswa wezimali uza kuwisa uhlahlo lwabiwomali ngoLwesithathu emva kokumisa le ntetho yakhe kule nyanga iphelileyo ngenxa yokungavani kwamalungu karhulumente wentsebenziswano. Kwiindaba ze-SABC, Ndingubulelani Philip eParlamente.
Amakomiti asephalamende abhekele ukusetshenziswa kwemali athi ukuhlehliswa kwesabelomali ngenyanga edlule kusho ukuthi sekumele asebenze ngaphansi kwengcindezi njengoba sesisincane manje isikhathi abanaso ukuhlela lokhu njengoba ungqongqoshe wezemali uNogodongwana kulindeleke ukuthi ke ethule isabelomali esahlehliswa ngoLwesithathu.
Osihlalo bakuchaze njengokulilishwa ukunqunyanyiswa nokuntluviswa ngokuqulathwe luhlahlo lwabiwomali.
Now they are going to put Parliament under a very extreme pressure. And how are we going to do that with the little space that is left? It's going to compromise lots of processes. And we don't want democracy to be compromised.
Abanye bathi urhulumente fanele ajonge imali yerente ayihlawulayo ekwibillions zerandi.
We really are wasting money. The government cannot pay 45% more for office space than a company. Come on. We can't do that. And yet we talk about where budget is going to come from, money is going to come from, and so on. We don't talk about how we stop wasting money.
Kukwakhona amaxhala ngemali ehlawulelwa ityala eminxa ezinye inkonzo ezibalulekileyo.
We are no longer making choices that are good or bad. We are making choices that are worse or much worse. And that's where we are. We are at the peak of taxation. You can't tax citizens more, and I'm talking about personal income tax in this regard.
Ndingulama Matya wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Njengoba nje lusondela usuku lokuba kwethulwe isabelomali, iqembu umkhonto wesizwe lifungela Gomela ekutheni lizokubeka kwelinye izinga ukumasha kwalo uma nje eke wayenyusa intela ungqongqoshe wezemali.
Esizwe belimasha emgwaqeni ePitoli liphikisana nokwenyuswa kwentela. Leli qembu elisendaweni yesithathu ngobukhulu kwezombusazwe kuleli lithi noma ngabe yisiphi isinyathelo sokwenyuswa kwentela simelene nokufunwa abantu bakuleli.
This uncaring government should focus on expanding job creation programs. They must focus on increasing social spending. They must focus on ensuring access to free quality education and healthcare.
Leli qembu lithi uma izikhalo zalo zishawa indiva ngoLwesithathu lizomisa izwe.
We will ensure that we go to the picket lines. We will ensure that we bring the country to a standstill. We will ensure that we have mass protests across the country to reject this VAT.
Leli qembu lime nasebhangeni lombuso mayelana nodaba lwebhange iThala.
If iThala were a white-owned bank, it would have been granted a license decades ago. This blatant discrimination must end, and iThala must be given full commercial banking license.
NgoLwesithathu uGodongwana uzothola elinye ithuba lokuba ethule isabelomali nokuyinto ebhekwe ngabomvu.
Ofakazi bombuso abathathu namhlanje bethule ubufakazi obehlukene ecaleni lokuthunjwa kwentombazanyana eyaneminyaka eyisithupha ngesikhathi sokunyamalala kwayo ngonyaka odlule uJocelyn Smith.
Omunye ufakazi wombuso nowayeyingxenye yokuthungathwa kukaJocelyn Smith wethule ubufakazi ngosuku lwesigameko walandisa ngokwenzeka ngosuku lokunyamalala kwentombazanyana. Ufakazi wombuso uthi ngesikhathi umama kaJoshlin Smith embuza ngokuthi akazange ambone na uJoshlin Smith waphendula ngokuthi abahambe ngokuphuthuma beyomfuna kwamalume wakhe, nokuyilapho umama wakhe akhombisa ukungahambisani nalokho kodwa wabe sebehamba.
Siyesaya ngendlini kayonelisayo. Then sahamba sayokhangela sihambe sibuzisa siyecheka sesitratweni saseZola sadibana nomntana okule age efana elingana nekakhe wange which is umntanami.
Ufakazi wombuso uthi ngesikhathi beqhubeka nokuthungatha uJoshlin Smith umama wakhe wayengakhombisi ukwethuka.
Ndambuza ukheli bakuthiwani lapha kulana wathi ke nake kuthiwa umntana khangaboni. Ndiye ndathi ke mna ke nawungathi singamfumana umntana masifone amapolisa.
Then I suggested that even though we haven't found the child, we need to call the police. Except for us, the city council of content was with the police staff.
Siyeza wafona amapolisa ka afika strato sikuso ePeter Mkhaba.
Icala liyaqhubeka kusasa.
Siphinde sikubingelele sikwamukele mbukeli mangabe usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi babalelwa kwabayisithupha abantu abadutshulwe babulawa kulamahora ngama-24 endaweni yaseMawoti enyakatho yeTheku njengoba izakhamuzi iqhubeka nokulwisana namaqembu egilamkhuba endaweni. Mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba. Luyaqhubeka uphenyo ngembangela yengozi yebhasi edlule nempilo yabantu abayisishagalolunye eyenzeke izolo emgwaqeni ongithela waye ku-N2 phakathi kweRichards Bay neShaka Scroll ngasemandeni KwaZulu-Natal. Owengamele ezokuthutha KwaZulu-Natal uSiboniso Duma uthi imbiko yokuqala iveza ukuthi ukuqhuma kwesondo lebhasi kungenzeka ukuthi kube nomthelelo ekutheni umshayeli ehluleke ukulawula kodwa akakuchithi ukushayela budedengu.
Ukuthi leli bhasi liye laphaphalaza emva kokuqhunyelwa isondo izolo ntambama. Kukholakala ukuthi belithwele amakholwa elinye lamabandla esuka eRichards Bay elibangise eShaka Scroll ngakwaDukuza. Owengamele ezokuthutha esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal uSiboniso Duma uthi kuyakhathaza ukuthi sekuphinde kwehla enye inhlekelele kulomgwaqo.
It's a reality that last year we were here, we lost so many lives, almost a kilometer or 2 kilometers away from that scene. The actual event took place. It's a painful tragedy. The bandla of the Church of TAC, the mayor of Duguza is part and parcel of the church.
Kusenjalo luyaqhubeka uphenyo malungana nembangela yengozi.
SAPS is going to check whether there was no reckless, then they declare it as a criminal scene. We do the same in terms of preliminary. We are going to check the permits, the list of those who were inside the bus when it was a service and all those things.
We are truly devastated. We're not expecting such to happen to our members when they're coming from the prayer. And really to the families of those who lost their loved ones, we truly send our deepest condolences to them. May God, with the living apostles, be with their hearts, give them strength.
Wezokuthutha KwaZulu-Natal uthuzoqinisa izokuphepha ikakhulukazi kulomgwaqo ngamaholiday ePhasika.
Azikho inguquko okulindeleke ukuthi zenziwe ngobuholi beANC eFree State kulandela ukuhambela kwekomidi lesigungu esiphezulu leqembu elibhekele ukusebenza kwansuku zonke. Esithangamini nabeyindaba ntambama namhlanje eBloemfontein unobhala jikelele weANC ufikile Mbalula wethule umbiko wekomidi leNWC emva kokuhlangana kwalo nezinhlaka zeqembu esifundazweni kulezi izinsuku ezidlule.
Esekwa kwe-ANC eFree State kwehle kwafinyelela kumaphesenti angama-51 okhethweni ngonyaka wedlule noma kunjalo iqembu likwazile ukugcina amandla ukuhola isifundazwe. Selokhu i-ANC iqinise umbhidlango wayo wokuvuselela kabusha iqembu ithe izosondela eduzane nezinhlaka zayo ezifundazweni ngenhloso yokwelekelela ukubuyisa uzinzo lweqembu. Umbalula uthe basaculisekile ngokuqhutshwa ubuholi baseFree State.
We equally reaffirm our confidence in the leadership of the ANC in the province, led by Mxolisi Dukwana as the chairperson and Pulediso Mutweneng as the provincial secretary, of the province. The ANC recognizes the serious service delivery challenges facing many communities in the Free State.
Umbalula wengeze ngelokuthi lesifundazwe ngesinye kwebezi ngaphansi kwenkulu ingcindezi ngenxa ukuthi okuningi okungamahlazo avela kukhomshana kaZondo eyayiphenya ngokuqhwagwa kwamandla ombuso. Inkohlakalo eningi yayikhomba ngakuhulumeni wase Free State.
As much as the numbers dropped, but Free State was an epitome of what we call state capture. All sorts of corrupt activities came from here. Dairy farm, Guptas, they were here. And asbestos, all of those things come from here.
Ndisibo phiko oliphenya amaqala omphakathi uadvocate Shamila Batohi uthi mkhulu umsebenzi owenziwayo ukubuyisa isithunzi seNPA. uBatohi ubekhuluma emcimbini weAspirant Prosecutor Program wokwethweswa kweziqu ePitoli namhlanje.
Bangaphezulu kwamakhulu amathathu abashushisi asebephothule uhlelo lokuqeqeshwa kwabo lwango-2023. Ukuthweswa iziqu kwalaba kuza ngesikhathi esibalulekile lapho kwehlile ukwethenjwa kwalolu phiko emphakathini.
I'm very excited, looking forward to everything that's going to happen. I look forward to keep on serving within the ranks of the organization, hopefully climb higher and higher and contribute more to the society.
It's a quantum shift from the things that you learn in varsity and trying to practice it, do it practically.
Uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi linethemba lokuthi amacala amaningi ombuso azobhaliswa ezinkantolo.
We can't deny that things happened in our country that should never have happened. And the reality is that it also affected the NPA. And so we have in the past 5 years been working tirelessly to rebuild the National Prosecuting Authority, to be an entity where each one of us can truly be proud of being prosecutors, standing for justice.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe zobulungisa lukhuthaza abashushisi abasha ukuthi balethe ubulungiswa ngaphandle kokwesaba noma ukuchema. Abafundi abathweswe iziqu bathi bafuna ukusebenzela izwe futhi bahloniphe umthetho wezwe ngokuzigqaja.
uAthol Fugard obeyisilomo somdidiyeli wemidlalo yeshashalazi aphinde abe ngumlingisi uchazwe njengomuntu obekwazi ukudlulisa umlayezo ngamagama anobuchule obudlulele. Lo mlobi ohlonishwa umhlaba wonke udlule emhlabeni ngempela sonto eneminyaka engamashumi ayisishagalolunye nambili.
Fugard ungusaziwayo kuhlabathi jikele kodwa ingcambu zakhe apho zikhoyo zisempuma koloni.
Uncle Athol was part of a brotherhood and a working partnership with my dad Winston Jona and Dadu John Gunn. Their combined work ethic was and still remains a revolutionary contribution to our country's history during and post-apartheid.
Ka 2011 wawongwa ngembasa ebizwa Lifetime Achievement Tony Award. Kwikhaya lakhe eliseGqeberha indlela eBelmont Terrace yathi yathiywa ngokuba iEthel Fugard Terrace ukumnika iwonga.
Every one of his plays, certainly from the 70s to the late 90s, were so truthful, so deeply resonant, so engaged in big political questions.
Aba basebenze kakhulu naye bathi wayeqinisekisa ukuba kulungele ngokupheleleyo kukhwela eqongeni.
Words touched so many people, but for those fortunate enough to have met him or to know him, have known him, it was his humility and the life lessons that he imparted.
Uzinikezela kwakhe umsebenzi wakhe ukubalisa amabali, intsebenziswano bolumko bakhe ngezenhlalo kulakhile icandelo emidlalo yeqongo eMzantsi Afrika.
This is how he inspired me as a young theatre maker and a writer to know how to use the techniques of weaving a story together.
I love what happens to language in people's mouths and how we use language to struggle sometimes to tell the truth.
Dungilerato Fekisi kwindaba zeSABC eGqeberha.
Umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uzolandela mbukeli nomkhushulwa Msimanga.
Kwasa kwentokozo mbukeli ukuthi siphinde sihlangana njengoba sesikusho singenamahloni ukuthi cha lapha esifundazweni sakithi kwaZulu Natal belithande nje ukuthi ke liguqubale namhlanje okuhambisana namakhulu amathuba emvula uyongena lapha eMthatha siyongena nasengxenyeni ke ephakeme ezilapha eMpumalanga asathanda ukuba makhulu amathuba bemancane lapha eGauteng kongena koNorth West enkabeni kwelase Freestata naphansi kakhulukazi lapha eStern Cape ngamancane kuba nokusikaza ngamafa eningizimu lithi ukubalela kodwa mawungena ke engxenyeni esentshonalanga sisho sithi ke nakusasa solindela amakhulu amathuba emvula ezingaphelezela ukuduma engxenyeni ke esenkabeni eNorth West yongena ke kwelase Freestata kanjalo nalapha kulisutha bemancane kodwa mawungena lapha koBloemfontein yongena eGauteng eMpumalanga kube nenkungu engathanda ukuba siphazamisa kakhulu ekhathini zasekuseni uyongena phansi lapha kwaZulu Natal ingathanda ukusixaka inkungu kodwa amathuba athanda ukuba mancane kuba nokubalela ngapha engxenyeni ke esentshonalanga iSouth African Weather Service yaqhubeka yaskipha isiqoqo esisigaba sesibili semvula ke ezingana nomngozi kakhulukazi engxenyeni eseMpumalanga kuyongena entshonalanga yaZulu Natal ebusuku banamhlanje kanti ke noma sihlabela phambili siyobheka usuku lakusasa leso simo singasilindela ukuthi ke sibe lapha enkabeni yaseFreestata naseMpumalanga eFreestata uyongena lapha koNorth West kanti ke masihlabela phambili asisho sithi ke ngathanda ukubanda nje kancane ebusuku banamhlanje lapha kuSutherland kuthi kufudumala kodwa mawungena kakhulukazi ke engxenyeni lapha kwaAphindini sisho sithi mawungena lapha ikakhulukazi lapha koSajonis lingathanda ukufudumala yongena eThekwini kanjalo nako Richards Bay ngafudumala nokho enkabeni lingathanda ukuba phakathi ikakhulukazi ke nalapha eJohannesburg sisho sithi ngokuphama onhlamvelanga ngivumele ngisho ngithi ke thanda ukufudumala kushisa kancane kodwa mawungena lapha eKimberley lifudumala eGauteng uyongena eMpumalanga lithi kushisa kancane kulapha phezulu koMessina siyongena phansi kwaZulu Natal lithande nje ukuba phakathi kodwa lifudumale lapha eMnambithi kuyongena lapha koRichards Bay kanjalo nako umhlaba uyalingana phansi lapha eStern Cape ngafudumala kamnandi kube ukuphola lapha eGqeberha kuthi kushisa kukhipha umkhovetsheni mawungena lapha kwaAphindini ngivumele ngisho ngithi ke ngiyayithatha indawo benobusuku obuhle.
Mbukelisi sibeka lapha ke bese kuphathele zona ngolika Mageba kusasa bazobe bekhona kuza kwethu nezindaba zolwimi lwesiXhosa nibe nje nobusuku obuhle nesali kahle.